Okay, part 2 of the Hotpoint. Just starting to heat. As you can see on the glass. And went on 2 hours and 13 minutes. But it'll most likely just at 1 hour and 30 something. Oh, I bet you any money it's left a bit of powder in the drawer. Oh no, it hasn't. Oh, that's good. Oh, I didn't leave anything. Good, either. Because it normally got to do that. Kept doing that. I think the pressure was good this time. I think that's what went through. Okay. See the water level. Not sure you can see. A little click then. Sorry guys, if you're wondering, I am talking much less because I watched it back. I'm not sure if it is to you guys, but to me I just feel like it's a bit annoying and just disrupting it. So I feel like I'm going to talk much less in these kind of videos now. on live streams and stuff, I will be like talking a lot more and stuff, interacting with you guys, but these type of videos, it'll be purely, mainly the machine, and you'll just hear that, so, yeah. Now 1 hour and 8. Still pretty cold, probably about like 20, like 25, 20. If you guys think the motor is struggling, it's not. It's always been like that. It's normal. You'll be fine when it goes into fast tumbles. It's just because it's quite, because it's a medium load of towels. It just goes a bit. Yeah, it's normal for these kind of motors. I've made sure with other people if that was normal. It is so. I might do more videos of the mini LGs soon as well, which are just behind me. Oh yeah, by the way, from the AEG, I found there were actually 2 tubes that exactly match the correct size for my mini LGs and the pipes they use for insides of them. So I've actually kept them in a bag in my drawer over there. So if I ever need spare tubes for the LGs, and got the right clips as well, so... Oh, what was that? Bit of a splash there. So, yeah, it's got all the correct pipes for it, which is all good. Spare tubes. Hour 5, still sensing. As soon as it's sensed, I will go and pause the video and do part 3. There we go. Right, I'll pause it and come back in part 3.